talk to you about finding Earth-like planets in our universe and what we should be looking for. It all started with astronomer Aristarchus. He was the first person to say that the sun was the center of the solar system rather than the Earth. It wasn't very popular belief, though. It wasn't until Copernicus wrote a book later on that became the more popular belief, and that's what we teach today. But it brings up a lot of questions. If Earth is just another planet, what about other planets? Is there life on other planets as well? It's a question that has plagued over humanity for generations, and we're starting our search for other Earth-like planets to see if we can't find life. We now have the Kepler Telescope, which its sole purpose is to find other Earth-like planets. And it does this by using the transit method. It measures the dimness of a star as a planet crosses in front of it. And we've now found over 700 planets in our galaxy, in a small portion of our galaxy. Our galaxy. And we need to search for the smaller planets. One thing we had trouble the past 15 years, we kept seeing that there was larger planets, but we had a hard time finding the smaller ones. Until we had the Kepler Telescope, that's our results. And now that we have that, we can see that there's more small planets, and that's one of the keys to having life. So now we can start searching for the planets in the habitable zones to see if we can't find a planet with life. One thing we need to consider too is the biochemistry. We don't know necessarily if it's universal like gravity, like if it will be different than it is here. So we need to consider that, and then other environments that it might be capable of living in. Some may say that that life is insignificant or rare in space. When looking at his tide as the size of the universe, the Earth is the size of one atom in that tide. So in that aspect, it's very insignificant or very rare. But if we look at time, we see that it's a much larger portion of the time of our universe. And in that aspect, it's not insignificant. It's very significant. It's a very large portion. And with the amount of planets that we have found and the amount of time that life has existed, it's very likely that there will be life elsewhere. So we need to continue our research to see if we can't find these planets that might have life or can support life. So maybe we can even visit them someday in the future. And who knows, maybe we'll find life within our lifetimes. Thank you.